Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be doing fine in your homes. Tomorrow it's mathematical online tests. You should see the things at your home, record your responses by correcting the maximum out of 25. It is class 10th subject maths exercise 9.1 question number 3. A contractor plans to install two slides for two children to play in the park. For children below the age of 5 years, she prepares to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, wants to have steep side of height 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of each slide in each case? Dear students, in order to minimize the communication gap, I will make you understand the question first in Kashmiri language and then also I will solve it in Kashmiri language so that you will grasp the concept or you will understand the mathematical problem well in the end. Shuna question Akh ठेकेदार akh chu contractor akh chu. वहीं पार्क मज दोन बचन खतर बनावन स्लाइड गिंदन खतर जूल स्किड करने खतर. Below 5 years of age, below 5 years of age. Tehnd खतर she बनावन थोद गछ आसन ये 1.5 मीटर. When angle banan ch ground side, in angle of inclination, झुकाव angle sih banan 30 degree. Ju keman bachan khadir. Yam below 5 years of age. Park man shi banan. Beak tish banawan slide. Shi banawan. Kota thud. Shi banawan 3 meter thud. Angle eman us ground side 60. Yach is thoda is angle chemo is board. Nimok angle slope is slide. A, B, C, A system yatma slide is below 5 years khadir. P, PR yatma slide is above 5 years. Now, to even you say, nimaj length yach in each case. Kimaj slide is length. Slide is chunki is 3 meter each slide. Nimaj length yach, nimaj length yach. तो ये अक्सर इन पार की मजा है तुम गिनने खतर तुम स्किट हम स्टमक. Figure is figure ch what is figure AC slide. AC is the slide. ये किमन खतर ch for children below 5 years age. And you see PR, each slide is the slide for above 5 years. Above 5 years. So you see, you must incline angle, and a jukav is ground certain angle, she 30. Which perpendicular depth, which very high part. Ya triangle must be perpendicular is high part. So, मतलब sine column, one triangle, what is triangles? Was ABC. ABC. You sine, you see each acute angle. C is supposed to be direct perpendicular. AB. Go sine 30, as per hypotenuse. Sine 30 as perpendicular, but a hypotenuse. Perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So sine 30 is 1/2. AB should is 1.5 divided by AC. Couple AC is like 1 says go AC. 1.5 is like 2 says go 3. Because daughter still do must 3 says go 3. Go AC is barabar 3. Use coordinate slide image length kiya is 3 meter. We should do image mas. Dois mas is perpendicular this hypotenuse has karum. Tel kah mas karum nasi. Sine is mas go in triangle PQR. PQR we have. At kya karum sine 60. Sine 60. Such barabar perpendicular but a hypotenuse. Perpendicular means PQ, hypotenuse PR. जो कि sin 60 छ आसान बराबर रूट 3 बटा 2. PQ छ दियत यो कोता 3 बटा PR. जो कि PR is like जरब का से रूट 3 ये बन PR रूट 3. 3 2 6 खाली PR का से बराबर. खाली PR बराबर 6 गस रूट 3 डिवाइड. अब रैशनलाइजेशन करो ये पर दिमो रूट 3 जरब ये पर दिमो रूट 3 जरब. वो PR still बराबर 6 रूट 3. रूट 3 जब रूट 3 डिवाइड का रोज 3 के रूट 3 सो क्या रूट 3 1 3 2 वो PR still बराबर 2 रूट 3 मीटर. वो इस यत इंक्लाइंड एंगल ऑफ 60 इन इस अबव 5 years उस तमच इस लेंथ सा से रूट 3 मीटर तो निमच लेंथ 3 मीटर. इत कन गो क्वेश्चन द क्वेश्चन गॉट सॉल्व्ड फॉर यू. Tomorrow it's online test for mathematics class. After watching this video, if any sort of confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you post your query there within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. But before leaving class, I am advising you tomorrow on 20th July 2020, your online test for mathematics is being taken. You should see the things inside your home to prepare well for the coming underway examinations. And before recording your responses in the link that shall get open at 11 a.m. in the morning, so that you can fill the maximum number of correct responses. It is better to remain stick to the book so you can defeat the COVID-19 infection also and will prepare the things for the examinations. Thanks. Be well.